Hi guys, I'm going to tell you a story about Rapunzel. Once upon a time, there was an evil witch, and she wanted to have a baby, but she cannot. When she's not old, she doesn't have a baby, 'cause she's an evil witch. That's why she doesn't have a baby. When she's old, she's a little bit old. That's why she doesn't have a baby. And she go outside and she shouted this, "Miracle of the evil world." She shouted that, and there was a husband and wife. There was husband and wife. The husband was just giving the plant some water, and he doesn't know there was a wife too, and she had a surprise for her husband. And she came to the garden, and she surprised her. And then she surprised the husband. And she said, "We're going to have a baby. Is it a boy or a girl?" The wife said like that, and the husband said like this. The husband said like this. The husband was so happy, and he said like this, "I'm so happy. It will be a girl or a boy. This is the happiest thing we ever have. We even don't have a baby. It was a young time." Then the husband said like this, and he was so happy that they will have a baby. But 2 days, the wife was feeling bad. She had cough, and she coughed like this, and she sneezed like that, and the husband not go outside, but in the night he go outside. They have a neighborhood, and it was the evil witch. It was the evil witch. And he came to the garden. He brought 𝙎𝙤𝙖𝙣, so many 𝙎𝙤𝙖, but it's just like the piece or what. But he go to his house and bring me back home. And he gave some the salad with peas. It was not enough. The husband and wife sleep and eat. The husband and wife sleep, and it was morning, and it was night again. He tried to get the 𝙎𝙤𝙖𝙣, but and the evil witch came. The evil witch heard the noise of the footsteps, and the evil witch trying to see who it is. But the evil witch was not scared, because she's the evil witch. And the husband get the 𝙎𝙤𝙖𝙣 how much he can. But the evil witch came. The evil witch told this, "Why did you get my 𝙎𝙤𝙖𝙣? It was my 𝙎𝙤𝙖𝙣. Or I will bring you in my home And the husband said like this, "Sorry, my wife is pregnant. I can't do anything, 'cause we don't have enough food. There's no pregnant food when they feel better. Can we please have this 𝙎𝙤𝙖𝙣?" The evil witch said like that. I'm not the evil witch, the husband said like that. And the evil witch changed her mind. We already said the evil witch wanted to have a baby. And in the night they talk. The evil witch said like this, "If you have a baby, give it to me." And the husband threw the 𝙎𝙤𝙖𝙣 and he ran away. But he was still sad because of her wife. If she don't eat the 𝙎𝙤𝙖𝙣, she will use her babies. And at night, not at night, in the morning, he's trying to explain at the evil witch. And he knocked the door, and the evil witch answered. He knew that it was the same guy, the evil witch. And he answered it, "Oh, what do you want here? You said you don't want the 𝙎𝙤𝙖𝙣." And the husband said like this, "Sorry, my wife is pregnant. Can you give me some of the 𝙎𝙤𝙖𝙣?" But the evil witch doesn't give the 𝙎𝙤𝙖𝙣, but he gives a seed to grow on the pan. And we have to put water, and it will be 𝙎𝙤𝙖. And the evil witch said like this, These seeds are for you. Grow them in your pan and give them a water every day, and they will grow, and they will grow into a giant." And the husband said, "Thank you, I will go now." He said like that, and he ran away. He was so happy. But he go home and give the give the seeds some water, and it grow every day. And the husband take the seed and he gave it to the wife. But he was still sad that he will not have a baby, because the evil witch said like this, like that. I already say that. She said the evil witch this, "I will have the baby," like that. And the husband was very, very sad. But he was calm. He gave the 𝙎𝙤𝙖𝙣 to her wife, and she ate it. Then, and she feel better, and her baby was out. But one thing you doesn't know, there was prince and princess, and they will meet, and they will be prince and princess. But someone knocked the door, and the husband knew that it was the evil witch, and he answered the door. And the evil witch got the baby, and she said like this, "Don't worry, I will take care of her, and I will name her Rapunzel." But she she cared her because she really wanted to have a baby. And she go to her home. But it was not the same home anymore. It was a young castle, but it was like not that young. It's like this. It's young. It had a door, but the evil witch opened the door and go upstairs. She put the baby in, and she named her Rapunzel. And the evil witch said, "Rapunzel, good, good." She said like this. And the Rapunzel grown up and grown up and grown up. And it was night, evening, night, evening, night, evening, night, evening, night, evening, night, evening. And it was morning. And the evil witch did her power, and in the castle there was no door, no steps, only the rooftop, the bed, only the up half a room, only one room. In the one room there was a bed and a table to brush Rapunzel's hair. But the Rapunzel doesn't brush her hair by myself. Rapunzel doesn't brush her hair by herself because her mother brushed Rapunzel's hair. Cause her mother loved to brush hair, and it was young. Cause Rapunzel's hair is young. It had to grow. That's why it had to be young. But the evil witch go and see the wood. Go and see the wood, and she came at night. She said this, "Rapunzel, if your beautiful hair off, it's your mother." And the Rapunzel take her hair off like this. And the evil witch carried him up. It was really that hard, but the evil witch know how to carry. She's good at carrying. But one thing, there was prince, and he born. But his father and mother was not bad. His father and mother was king and queen. There was a big celebration. The prince grow up, and he's trying to find like princess to marry her. And he looked at the castle, and his guard and his army said like this. The prince said like this, "Wow, this castle is so young." And he doesn't say all of that, but he said like this, there must be a princess. Let's see it. And his army said like this, "No, we cannot see it. There's no door. There's only one window, but it's so tall. How should we look at it?" The army said like that. But Rapunzel was singing. The prince knew it was a princess. They hide, and the prince loved the song. and he gave up. He's trying to go there, but he doesn't know how to go. But she hid again. And the witch came. And she said like this, Rapunzel, if your yellow hair are not like that, Rapunzel, if your golden hair out, it's your mother. The evil witch said like that, and the Rapunzel gave her hair like this. And she came up. And it was morning. The evil witch go and stop the war. And the prince trying to visit her every day. She's trying to see the girl that is so pretty and princess. And she walked in the door. He knew that it was Rapunzel because her mom said Rapunzel. She heard it and she pretended to be a mom. She said like this, Rapunzel, if you're going head out, it's your mother. He said like that. And the Rapunzel doesn't hear that voice again. Never. She thought that it was a stranger, but she looked out. She was brave. She do it, and the Rapunzel flip her, not flip like she looked in the window, and she said like this, Who are you? And why did you know? And how did you know my name? And the prince said, I know your name, 'cause your mom said it. But the Rapunzel thinks it was a little bit evil. But she looked at it again. The prince said, I hear your beautiful voice, so that's why I wanted to meet you. Can I be your princess? The prince said like that. And the Rapunzel said like this, No, sorry, I don't talk to strangers that much. And I don't know people very well. And the Rapunzel said like that. The prince said like this, Don't worry, I'm a nice guy. I'm not stranger. Can I please come to your house? Yes. But why there's no door? The prince said like that. My mom is trying to protect me. And she flipped her hair. And the prince climbed up. And she finally came to the castle. And the prince said like this, Why your mom trying to protect you? There was an evil outside, I know, but you will still be stuck here. Why did your mom lock you here? And the Rapunzel said, She's trying to protect me from the evil. The prince have a plan. They cut her hair off, but not all. Like this shine. And they wrap it here. And they put it, and they climb down. And they put it here, in the window. It was still young, but they ran before the mother came. And not the mother, the evil witch and said like this. Rapunzel flip her hair. And she came up. She wouldn't think that she saw. It was a hair. Rapunzel's hair. But the evil witch was so angry and she think they might go away without telling me or permission. And the witch said like this. I will find her, but she was trapped. The prince Aramis was yucking the evil witch in the young castle, and they visit the prince's mom and dad. It was the king and the queen. The prince get her in the prince's home, and she said like this. What's this? Gold? So nice. And the prince said like this. Father, you look so happy. How can this be happen? And the king and the queen said like this. We give him a medicine, and he came good and healthy. And what's that good? Yeah, Rapunzel. And Rapunzel and the prince said like this. Rapunzel, they doesn't know that the queen don't know her name. And bye, we're gonna visit like Rapunzel, like mother and father, we're gonna go far. Bye. The prince said like that, and they go. And they couldn't see the mom and the real dad was so happy, very happy, and they cry. And Rapunzel can't know what she saw into. Rapunzel know that it's her mom and her dad, and she hug her now. Not the dad, it's the mom, and the mom cry. They go inside and they talk like this. The end.